The first question is based on puzzles related. So please read. So study the following information and answer the given questions. So 8 people P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W are sitting around a circular table. 4 of them are facing inside while others are facing outside. So total members are 8. In 8 members, some are inside, some are outside. So one of the important point in this paragraph is no two people facing the same direction are sitting adjacent to each other. ఇక్కడ సెంటెన్స్ మీనింగ్ ఏంటి సార్ అంటే, సో అడ్జసెంట్ లో కూర్చున్న పర్సన్స్ సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్ ఉండడానికి ఛాన్స్ లేదని చెప్పడం జరిగింది. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ స్టార్టింగ్ ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేసే వాళ్ళు డైరెక్షన్స్ చాలా క్లారిటీగా గుర్తుండాలి. సో ఫేసింగ్ ది సెంటర్ మీన్స్ క్లాక్ వైజ్ is equal to the left, anti clockwise is equal to the right. In the same way, in facing outside, that means facing opposite to the center, clockwise become right, anti clockwise become left. Okay, so total persons are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So in 8 members, 4 are inside, 4 are outside. Okay, observe the first clue point. Only P who is facing inside, so P direction is facing inside. నేను ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటున్నాను P point ని, P place ని. Okay, so P is sitting between V and T. So only P is sitting between V and T. Suppose my assumption is this place belongs to the T, this place belongs to the V. If P inside means automatically adjacent members are not in same direction. That means this member is outside, this member is inside, this member become out, in, out, in, out. Okay, right. Now observe the second clue point. Only one person sitting between T and W. So in between T and W, one member means W place is this one. Who is immediate left of the S? That means W is immediate left of the S means S place is this one. S direction inside, so clockwise become left. Automatically W is sitting immediate left of the S. Next, U is sitting opposite to the T. So T opposite place belongs to the U. Next, S is facing R. Automatically this place belongs to the R. So now the immediate remaining person is P, Q, R, S, T. That is remaining person is Q. Okay. So exam point of view లో ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ని మీరు జస్ట్ 1 or 1.5 minute లో చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. Observe the first question on this puzzle. Who is sitting second to the right of V? Second to the right of V. So V direction is outside. So outside right is clockwise. So first right of the V is P, second right of the V is T. So T is the correct answer. Option number 2. Next, second question. Who is sitting immediate left of the P? Immediate left of the P. So P direction is inside. Inside left is clockwise. So immediate left of the P is T. Next question. How many persons are sitting between T and R? So in between T and R, how many members? When counted from the left of the T, when counted from the left of the T. So 1 second. T and R, left of the T. So T direction is outside. Outside left is anti-clockwise. So in between T and R, in anti-clockwise direction from T, only 2 members, that is P and V. So 2 is correct answer. Second option. Next question. How many persons are sitting between Q and P? In between Q and P, how many members? So Q and P are in opposite places. Automatically in between Q and P, either left side or right side, 3 members is correct answer. Option number 1. Who among the following is facing inside? So W, U, T, V and R. So W, U, T, V, R. W, U, T, V, R. Out of these 5, only one member is different one, that member is R, remaining all are facing outside, so R is in inside direction. So R is the different one. Okay, so study the following series. So next question is, study the following series of sets of numbers carefully and answer the questions given below. సో మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే ఇక్కడ ఒక 6 నెంబర్స్ 3 డిజిట్ నెంబర్స్ ఇవ్వటం జరిగింది. సో ఆ 3 డిజిట్ నెంబర్స్ యూజ్ చేసుకుని మనం 1 by 1 క్వశ్చన్ సొల్యూషన్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో టోటల్ 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ 6, 7 and 8. అబ్జర్వ్ ది ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ మీనింగ్. If the second and third digits of each of the numbers are added, the resulting sum of which of the following numbers will be exactly divisible by 4? The sum of the second and third digit. Suppose in first number, sum of the second and third digit summation is 5 plus 6 is equal to the 11. So 11 is not divisible by 4. Okay. Second, 1 plus 2 is equal to the 3. So this one also not divisible by 4. 2 plus 5 is equal to the 7. This one also not divisible by 4. 7 plus 8, 15. This one also not divisible by 4. 8 plus 7, 15. Not divisible by 4. But finally last number 4 plus 8 is equal to the 12. So 12 is divisible by 4. That number is 748 is the correct answer. Next question. If 2 is added to the first digit of each number, then the positions of the first and third digits are interchanged. Which of the following will be the lowest number? మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే ఇక్కడ 2 యాడ్ చేయడం, ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్కి యాడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. బట్ ఏం ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ అండ్ థర్డ్ ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేయాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ అండ్ థర్డ్ ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేసిన తర్వాత నెంబర్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి? క్వశ్చన్ ఏం అడిగారు? లోయెస్ట్ నెంబర్ అడిగారు. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఫస్ట్ అండ్ థర్డ్ ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ 600 లో ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడేమో 200, ఇక్కడేమో 500, ఇక్కడేమో 800, ఇక్కడేమో 700, ఇక్కడేమో 800. The lowest number automatically 2. So finally our answer is 412 is the correct answer. Next question. Observe the question meaning. If the positions of the first and third digits within each number are interchanged, again first and third digit numbers are interchanged. Which of the following will be the second highest number? So after interchange, this one becomes 600 plus, this one becomes 200 plus, this one becomes 500 plus, this one becomes 800 plus, this one becomes 700 plus, this one becomes 800 plus. Second highest number. After interchange, so first highest number is the 800, second highest also 800. So this one becomes 876, this one is 847. Automatically 876 is the first biggest number, 847 is the second biggest number. Automatically our answer is 748 is the correct answer. Now observe the next question. Okay, so next puzzle. So please read the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. 10 different sweets are kept on different shelves of a sweet shop. Only 5 sweets are kept between Balushahi and Modak, which is not kept on the lowermost shelf. That means Modak is not kept on the lowermost shelf. Okay, right? Next sentence meaning. Only 2 sweets are kept between Kalakand and Sandesh, which is kept immediately above the Modak. Okay. Next sentence. Imarti is kept immediately below the Balushahi. So Pita is kept immediately below the Kalakand. Next sentence. Rabri is kept above the Kheer and but below the Basundi, which is not kept on the topmost shelf. That means Basundi is not kept on the topmost shelf. Next one. So Pida is kept equidistant from the Imarti and the Kheer. So Kalakand is kept below the Balushahi but not on the lowermost shelf. Okay, so finally మనకి ఇచ్చిన పారాగ్రాఫ్ లో మనకు అర్థమైంది ఏంటి సార్ అంటే టోటల్ గా 10 సెల్ఫ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 is the topmost shelf, 10 is the lowermost shelf. Okay. Observe the 1 by 1 meanings. Please observe the sentence meanings first. The first sentence meaning is only 5 sweets are kept between Balushahi and Modak. So in between Balushahi and Modak, how many sweets? How many shelves? 5. Okay, continuation. which is not kept on the lowermost self. That means Modak is not kept on the lowermost self. So this place not belongs to the, this place not for Modak. Lowermost self is not for Modak. Next continuation. Only two sweets are kept between Kalakand and Sandesh. So in between Kalakand and Sandesh, two. Next line. Continuation. Which is kept immediately above the Modak. That is, Sandesh is immediately above the, Sandesh is kept immediately above the Modak. Okay. Continuation. Imarti is kept immediately below the Balusahi. So, Imarti immediately below the Balusahi. The same as Sandesh is immediately above the Modak. నేను ఇలా బ్రాకెట్స్ తీసుకున్నానంటే వెంటనే వస్తాయని మీనింగ్ అన్న. నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్ మీనింగ్. సో పీతా ఈజ్ కెప్ట్ ఇమీడియట్లీ బిలో ది కలాకండ్. సో ఇమీడియట్లీ బిలో ది కలాకండ్. సో ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ లైన్. రాబ్రీ ఈజ్ కెప్ట్ అబౌవ్ ది కీర్ బట్ బిలో ది బాసుంది. సో అబౌవ్ ది కీర్ ఈజ్ రాబ్రీ బట్ బిలో ది బాసుంది. Not immediately above, not immediately below. Okay, continuation. Which is not kept on the topmost self. That is, Basundi is not on the topmost self. Okay, continuation. Peda is kept equidistant from the Imarti and Kir. Equidistant from, if suppose this side Imarti, just assumption. So that side is Kir. Equidistance, equidistance, equal distance. Continuation. Kalakand is kept below the Balusahi but not on the lowermost self. So Kalakand is also not on the lowermost self. Okay, this is the sentence meanings one by one. So now observe the ఏ పాయింట్ తీసుకొని స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి సార్ అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్ లైన్. ఇక్కడ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే మ్యాక్సిమం గ్యాప్ ఎక్కడైతే ఉంటుందో ఆ పాయింట్ తీసుకొని స్టార్ట్ చేయడం బెస్ట్. సో బాలుసాహి అండ్ మోదాక్ బిట్వీన్ ఈస్ 5. సో మై అజంప్షన్ ఈస్ టాప్ లోస్ ఈజ్ బాలుసాహి. జస్ట్ అజంప్షన్. మనకి ఒకవేళ క్వశ్చన్ కానీ సెంటెన్స్ కానీ సాటిస్ఫై చేయనట్లయితే బాలుసాహిని బాటమ్ డౌన్ కి మూవ్ చేస్తూ వస్తూ ఉంటాను. సో ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ బాలుసాహి అండ్ మోదాక్ ఈస్ 5 cells. సో ఫస్ట్ సెంటెన్స్ దిస్ వన్. So finally 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. So automatically 7th place is for Modak. Modak immediately above is Sandesh. Now observe the second clue point. So in between Sandesh and Kalakand is 2 places. So Sandesh above Kalakand is possible, bottom side also possible. But in last clue point says in paragraph, Kalakand is kept below the Balusahi but not on the lowermost foot. So in between Sandesh and Kalakand also 2 places but not the lowermost. So as possible, this place belongs to the Kalakand. 9th place. If suppose it is not possible, sir, automatically Kalakand place is 3, 3rd place, because in between Sandesh and Kalakand 2 places. Automatically Kalakand below place is Pita. Okay, right? Okay, satisfies. Observe the remaining clue points. Balusahi immediately below is Imarti. Automatically observe this equidistance clue point. So Pida is exactly in between Imarti and Kir. So Pida possibility is 2 possibilities. One is 3rd, another one is 8th place. But so in this clue point, if suppose Peda is at 3rd place, automatically Kir place become 4. So but Kir above the Kir is Rabri and Bosindi is there. So automatically Peda is not at 3rd place. Automatically the place possibility is 5. So Peda place is 5. Now in between Peda and Imarti is 2 members. Automatically Peda and Kir also 2 members. Now Kir place is 8th. So key above is robbery and boss. Automatically robbery place is 4th. This place, third place become boss undi. So every clue point is satisfied. My assumptions, only two assumptions. One is Balu Sahi is at first place and next Kalakand is at 9th place. Okay, observe the first question on this puzzle. How many sweets are kept between the Kheer and Peda? So Kheer, in between Kheer and Peda. So Kheer is at 8th place, Peda is at 5th place. In between Peda and Kheer, 2 places. 2 is correct answer. Option number 4. Next question. Which sweet is kept immediately above the Basundi? So immediately above the Basundi is Imarthi. So option number 2. Next one. Which sweet is kept on the topmost shelf? So Balu Sahi is the right answer. So first assumption. Which sweet is kept on the lowermost shelf? So lowermost shelf is Pita. So option number 5 is right answer. Next question. How many sweets are kept in between the Basundi and Kheer? In between Basundi and Kheer. So Basundi is at 3rd place, Kheer is at 8th place. In between Basundi and Kheer, how many places? Rabri, Peda, Sandesh and Modak. So 4 is right answer. 4. So first option is correct. Next question. Okay, this question is based on directions. Study the information given below carefully and answer the questions given below. So total 7 apartments mentioned, MNOP, QR and S are situated as follows. S is 2 kilometers to the west of the R, Q is 3 kilometers to the south of the S and 8 kilometers to the east of the P. O is 3 kilometers to the north of the M and 3 kilometers to the south of the R. N is 2 kilometers to the east of the O. Okay, please observe. So first clue point is S is 2 kilometers to the west of the R. If suppose R is there, west of the R, 2 kilometers. Continuation. Q is 3 kilometers to the south of the S. 3 kilometers south of the S. And 8 kilometers to the east of the P, that is Q. East of the P and south of the S. Continuation. O is 3 kilometers to the north of the M. Okay. And 3 kilometers to the south of the R, that is O. 3 kilometers to the south of the R means exactly east of the Q. O. But O is 3 kilometers to the north of the M, that is M is 3 kilometers to the south of the O. And last clue point is N is 2 kilometers to the east of the O. Okay, right? This distance is 2. Observe the first question on this diagram. What is the distance between the P and N? So in between P and N, how much distance? 8 plus 2 plus 2. So P and N are in a straight line. So 8 plus 2 plus 2 is 12. So first option is right answer. Next question meaning. What is the direction of the M with respect to the S? M direction with respect to the S. From S, M is in downside, so that is south. So in east side, southeast is right answer. Next question. Which of the following is odd? Which of the following is odd? That is, out of the 5 options, 4 are similar, 1 is different. PM, QM, SO, PN, SN. So first observe the PM, QM, SO, PM. So PM is in southeast, QM also southeast, SO also in same direction. Next options, PN and SN. 4th option and 5th option, PN and SN. SN also same direction, but PN in straight. PN is in straight. So finally, PN are in a straight line, remaining all are not in a straight line. So option number 4 is the right answer. Okay, next concepts is deductions, that is syllogisms. Observe the paragraph. In the question given below are given 3 statements followed by 2 conclusions, number 1 and 2. We have to take the given statements to be true even if they seem to be at variance with the commonly known facts. Read all the conclusions and decide which of the given conclusions logically follows. సో మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాల్సింది లాజికల్లీ ఫాలోస్ ఇచ్చారా, లాజికల్లీ డస్ నాట్ ఫాలోస్ ఇచ్చారా అనేది అబ్జర్వ్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఫ్రమ్ ది గివెన్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ డిస్క్రీడింగ్ కామన్లీ నోన్ ఫ్యాక్ట్స్. ఓకే, సో మన కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటి సార్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ యూజ్ చేసుకుని డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. దాన్ని బేసిక్ డయాగ్రామ్ అని పిలుస్తాం. ఆ బేసిక్ డయాగ్రామ్ యూజ్ చేసుకుని పాజిటివ్ కన్క్లూజన్స్ ని డైరెక్ట్ గా డిసైడ్ చేస్తాం. నెగిటివ్ కన్క్లూజన్స్ అయితే ఆల్టర్నేట్ డయాగ్రామ్ ని కూడా చెక్ చేసి డిసైడ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, so observe the first statement. Only a few laptop is a computer. Only a few means some laptop is a computer. Some laptop is a computer. Okay, next one. All computer are red. All computer are red. Next one. Some laptop is a mouse. Some laptop is a mouse. This is a basic diagram. సో బేసిక్ డయాగ్రామ్ అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి సార్ అంటే ఇచ్చిన స్టేట్మెంట్స్ మొత్తాన్ని క్లబ్ చేస్తూ డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేస్తాం. ఓకే, అబ్జర్వ్ ది ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్. ఫస్ట్ కన్క్లూజన్ ఈజ్ అ పాజిటివ్ కన్క్లూజన్. సమ్ ల్యాప్టాప్ ఈజ్ ఎ కంప్యూటర్. ఎస్, కరెక్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, సమ్ ల్యాప్టాప్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ కంప్యూటర్. ఎస్, దట్ వన్ ఆల్సో కరెక్ట్, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నెగిటివ్ కన్క్లూజన్స్ ని డైరెక్ట్ గా డిసైడ్ చేయడానికి ఛాన్స్ లేదు. సో సమ్ నాట్ అనే పాయింట్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనం ఏం తీసుకొని చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి సార్ అంటే ఆల్ తీసుకొని చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. సో సమ్ నాట్ కి కాంప్లిమెంటరీ పేరు ఎవరు సార్ అంటే ఆల్. సమ్ ల్యాప్టాప్ ఈజ్ ఏ నాట్ ఏ కంప్యూటర్ అని ఏమని తీసుకోవాలి సార్ అంటే ఆల్ ల్యాప్టాప్ ఈజ్ ఏ కంప్యూటర్. ఓకే, సో రిమైనింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆల్ ఆర్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. మౌస్ ఈజ్ కనెక్టెడ్ విత్ ల్యాప్టాప్. Red is on computer. This is the alternate diagram for given negative conclusion. Now observe the given statements. So ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ కరెక్టా రాంగా ఎవరు డిసైడ్ చేస్తారు సార్ అంటే స్టేట్మెంట్స్ డిసైడ్ చేస్తారు. స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఏమని ఓన్లీ a few laptop is computer, బట్ ఇక్కడ మనకి ఆల్టర్నేట్ డయాగ్రామ్ లో ఆల్ ల్యాప్టాప్స్ ఆర్ కంప్యూటర్స్ అని వచ్చింది. అంటే స్టేట్మెంట్స్ సాటిస్ఫై చేయకపోవడం వలన మనం తీసుకున్న స్టేట్మెంట్ రాంగ్ అని అంటే ఆల్ బికమ్ రాంగ్. ఆల్ బికమ్ రాంగ్ మీన్స్ సమ్ నాట్ అగైన్ కరెక్ట్. సో ఫైనల్లీ యువర్ ఆప్షన్ ఈస్ both 1 and 2 follows. Both 1 and 2 follows. బట్ అనదర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ చెప్తున్నాను నేనండి, ఓన్లీ a few అంటే సమ్ కరెక్ట్, సమ్ నాట్ ఆల్సో కరెక్ట్. అదొక ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ గా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఓన్లీ a few laptop is computer అంటే some laptops are computers correct, some laptops are not computers also correct. So finally your option is both 1 and 2 follows. Next question. Only a few window is gate, that is some windows are gate గా తీసుకుంటాం. అంటే డయాగ్రామ్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది సార్ అంటే some windows are gate. Some doors are window. No rod is gate, that is rod separated. So this is the basic diagram. Next one, first observe the conclusion. First conclusion, all window can be gate. This is a possibility conclusion. Possibility conclusion ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఎలా చేయాలి సార్ అంటే ఇచ్చిన కన్క్లూజన్ ని డైరెక్ట్ గా ఆల్టర్నేట్ డయాగ్రామ్ గా డ్రా చేయండి. తర్వాత స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ని చెక్ చేసిన తర్వాత స్టేట్మెంట్స్ సాటిస్ఫై అయితే డయాగ్రామ్ కరెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. డయాగ్రామ్ కరెక్ట్ అయితే ఇచ్చిన కన్క్లూజన్ కరెక్ట్ అని. ఓకే, నేను ఇచ్చిన నెగిటివ్ కన్క్లూజన్ ని డ్రా చేస్తున్నాను, ఇచ్చిన పాసిబిలిటీ కన్క్లూజన్ ని డ్రా చేస్తున్నాను. ఆల్ విండో కెన్ బి గేట్. ఆల్ విండో కెన్ బి గేట్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ డయాగ్రామ్. రిమైనింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ఆర్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. సో డోర్ ఆర్ కనెక్టెడ్ విత్ విండో, rod separate. This is the alternate diagram for given positive conclusion. Now check the given statements. Only a few window is gate, but all windows are in gate. So statement satisfies? No. So statements not satisfies means the diagram become wrong. So diagram wrong means possibility also wrong. Next one. Some door is a gate. No. So door and gate connection లేదు. So both are wrong. So both are wrong means neither one nor two is follows. Next question. Only a few hot is cold. Only a few hot is cold. That means some hot or cold. All freeze is cold. All freeze is cold. So freeze are in cold. This is the basic diagram. First one, all hot can be freeze. All hot can be freeze. So first one is possibility conclusion. So alternate diagram lo check chestunanu. All hot can be freeze. So remaining elements as it is. So hot completed, freeze completed, cold is on freeze. Now check the given statements. Only a few hot is cold, but all hot are cold. So statements not satisfied. Statement not satisfied means diagram wrong. Diagram wrong means conclusion become also wrong because possibility conclusion. Okay. Next one. Some freeze is cold. All freeze is cold means some freeze automatically cold. So finally your answer is only two follows is correct answer. Next question. Some ink is red. Some ink is red. Next one. Only a few red is blue. No blue is ink. Okay, this is the basic diagram. Now observe the one by one conclusion. All blue being red. All blue being red is a possibility. So నేను possibility conclusion కి alternate diagram డ్రా చేస్తున్నాను. All blue being red is a possibility. Remaining elements are as it is. Ink are connected with red, not with blue. Now check the given statements. Some ink are red, correct. Only a few red is blue, yes, correct. No blue is ink, also correct. Statement satisfies. Statement satisfies means diagram correct. Diagram correct means given possibility conclusion also correct. Next, some red is not blue, yes, correct, but it is negative. సో మనం సమ్ నాట్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఆల్టర్నేట్ డయాగ్రామ్ ఎలా చెక్ చేస్తాం సార్ అంటే ఆల్ తీసుకొని చెక్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. సమ్ రెడ్ ఈస్ నాట్ బ్లూ అంటే ఆల్ రెడ్ ఈస్ బ్లూ. నెక్స్ట్ ink are connected with red. Ink are connected with red. Now check the given statements. Some ink are red, okay, only a few red is blue, but all red is in blue in this alternate diagram. So statements not satisfied, that is diagram wrong. Diagram wrong means all become wrong. All become wrong means some not become correct. So some not again correct. So ఒక ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ చెప్తున్నాను. ఇక్కడ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే నెగిటివ్ కన్క్లూజన్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు కంపల్సరీగా ఆల్టర్నేట్ లో కూడా చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. సమ్ నాట్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఆల్టర్నేట్ లో ఏమని తీసుకొని చెక్ చేయాలి సార్ అంటే ఆల్ తీసుకొని చెక్ చేయాలి. అలాగే నో ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఏమని చెక్ చేయాలి సార్ అంటే సమ్ తీసుకొని చెక్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో సింప్లీ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ బోత్ 1 and 2 follows is correct answer. Next question. Only a few golds are diamond. That is, some golds are diamond. Basic diagram డ్రా చేస్తున్నాను. Some golds are diamond. Next, a few diamonds are silver. That is, some diamonds are silver. So next one is no silver is platinum. Okay, so now observe the one by one conclusions. All platinum being gold is a possibility. So the alternate diagram for given possibility conclusion is all platinum being gold. All platinum being gold. So remaining elements as it is. So diamonds are connected with gold. So diamonds are connected with silver. This is the alternate diagram. Now check the given statements. Only a few golds are diamond. Okay, satisfies. Or a few diamonds are silver. Okay, no silver is platinum, also satisfies. So given statements are satisfies means alternate diagram become correct. So alternate diagram correct means given possibility conclusion also correct. Next one. Some diamonds can never be platinum. Some diamonds can never be platinum. Yes, correct. Why, sir? So observe the third statement. No silver is platinum. No silver is platinum. Now observe the given second conclusion. Some diamonds can never be platinum. Some diamonds can never be platinum. Yes, because no silver is platinum. No silver is platinum. Automatically some diamonds are also not platinum. So this part not become platinum. So finally our answer is both 1 and 2 follows is correct answer. Next question. Now observe the puzzle. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. 9 people JKL, MNO, QR and S. P is not given. JKL, MNO, QR and S are sitting in a row facing the north direction but not necessarily in the same order. So total members are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So facing towards the north means this end is left and this one is right. Now observe the one by one statements. More than 4 people are sitting to the left of the O. So more than 4 means either 5 or 6 or 7 or 8. Okay. S is sitting second to the right of the O. S is sitting second to the right of the O. So the minimum possibility from right hand side is this one. If suppose O is at this place, S is sitting second to the right of the O. It's the minimum case from right hand side. Now more than 4 people are sitting to the left of the O. Satisfies or not satisfies? నేను ఇప్పుడు ఓకి లెఫ్ట్ లో 6 మెంబర్స్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఒకవేళ ఈ అజంప్షన్ రాంగ్ అయినట్లయితే 5 మెంబర్స్ తీసుకుంటాను. సో ఓన్లీ 2 పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ 5 మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ 6 మెంబర్స్. ఓకే, కంటిన్యూషన్. 2 people are sitting between J and Q. Who is sitting at the one of the extremities? That is, Q is sitting at the one of the extremities. The possibility is left hand. So in between J and Q, 2 people. Okay, right. Continuation. L is not sitting at any extremities. Yes, correct. K is an immediate neighbor of the M. Okay, that means K and M are neighbors. K and M are neighbors. The only possibility is in between J and O or Q and J. Next continuation. R is sitting to the 5th right of the M. Oh, R is sitting to the 5th right of the M means automatically K and M places in between Q and J. So Q and J. So the possibility also, suppose M is there. Now R place is 5th right of the M. First right, second right, third right, fourth right, 5th right. So the possibility is this one. So K and M are neighbors. Automatically Q adjacent place belongs to the K. J is not an immediate neighbor of the L. Automatically L places this one. Remaining place for remaining person. JKL M N. So remaining member is N. Now observe the first question on this puzzle. How many people are sitting between L and Q? So in between L and Q, how many people? 4. 4 people is right answer. Option number 2 is the right answer. Now observe the second question. Who among the following pair are not immediate neighbors? Not immediate neighbors. Q and K, immediate neighbors. M and J, immediate neighbors. J and N, immediate neighbors. L and R, not immediate neighbors. So option number 4 is the right answer. Next question. Who is sitting exactly between the M and S? Exactly between the M and S. That is, L is right answer. In between M and S, exactly person is L. L is the correct answer. Option number 3. Next question. What is the position of the N with respect to the K? Position of the N with respect to the K. So from K, N position is right side, that is third right. So third to the right is right answer. Next one. Who among the following sitting to the seventh to the left of the R? Seventh to the left of the R. So left of the R, seventh left is, that is Q, extreme left hand. Seventh to the left of the R, that is Q is the right answer, option number 5. Okay, next question. Okay, please read 27 to 29. Answer the questions based on the information given below. 6 persons A, B, C, D and F are comparing their heights comparison. So this question is based on comparisons puzzle. No two persons are of the same height. Okay. The first sentence meaning is F is taller than A, who is taller than D and C. That is A is taller than D and C. A is taller than D and C means A is taller than D and A is taller than C. But in between D and C no relation. So D is more than C or D is less than C is not given. Next line. Only 2 persons are shorter than E. That means remaining all are taller than E. So total members 6. Only 2 members are shorter than E means E place is 4th place, because E below only 2 members. But neither of them is C. That means this 5 and 6 not for C. These 2 places not for C. But observe this clue point, F greater than A greater than C. So by using this, we can decide F place is first, second place belongs to the A, third place belongs to the C. D is not the shortest. That means D is not at 6th place. Automatically D place is this one. Remaining place belongs to the remaining member. That member is B. Okay. Exam point of view question మీరు 30 seconds లో చేయగలగాలి. Observe the first question. Who among the following is the shortest among all? The shortest member is bottommost member. Bottommost member is B. So last option is correct answer. Option number 5. How many persons are shorter than A? Shorter than A, 4 members. Those are C, E, D, B. 4 members is right answer. Next question. Who among the following is shorter than E? Shorter than E. So shorter than E, D and B. So that is D. So first option is right answer. Okay, next question. If it is possible to make only one meaningful English word with the second, third, sixth and ninth letters of the word sacrifice, which of the following will be the third letter of the word? If no such word can be made, give X as your answer. If more than one such word can be made, give Y as your answer. So given word is sacrifice. Observe the second letter is A, third letter is C, sixth letter is F, ninth letter is E. ఈ 4 లెటర్స్ ని మనం సింగిల్ టైమే యూజ్ చేస్తూ ఎన్ని మీనింగ్ఫుల్ వర్డ్స్ రెడీ చేస్తామో మనం డిసైడ్ చేయాలి. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే ACFE నుంచి ద ఫస్ట్ మీనింగ్ఫుల్ వర్డ్ ఈస్ ఫేస్, FACE మీనింగ్ఫుల్ వర్డ్, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వర్డ్ ఈస్ కేఫ్, CAFE. 2 meaningful words can be formed. If more than one such word can be made, give Y as your answer. So option number 5. Okay, last puzzle in this paper. Observe the question. Read the instructions carefully and answer the questions below. During the training camp of Kabaddi team, it was decided that all the 7 players of team will play the role of the captain turn by turn starting from Monday to Sunday. మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే మండే స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో మండే నుంచి సండే 1 by 1 కెప్టెన్సీ వస్తుందని చెప్పడం జరిగింది. సో మండే, ట్యూస్డే, వెన్స్డే, థర్స్డే, ఫ్రైడే, సాటర్డే అండ్ సండే. ఓకే, ఎవరు ఏ రోజు కెప్టెన్స్ అనేటువంటిది డిసైడ్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ రీడ్ ది పర్సన్స్ నేమ్స్. Sumit, Ravi, Kunal, Vinay, Lalit, Prudvi and Arjun are the 7 players in the team. Now observe the second paragraph. Vinay was made the captain immediately after Lalit. Immediately after Lalit, place belongs to the Vinay. If suppose Lalit is on Monday, definitely Vinay is on Tuesday. If suppose Lalit is on Friday, Saturday place belongs to the Vinay. Not more than one person was captain before Ravi. So before Ravi, not more than one person, that is up to one person. So one person వరకు ఛాన్స్ ఉంది బిఫోర్ రవి, వన్ పర్సన్ కన్నా ఎక్కువగా ఛాన్స్ లేదు. అంటే రవి పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఏంటి సార్ అంటే ఇదర్ ట్యూస్డే ఆర్ మండే. సో రవి కన్నా ముందర ఎవరు లేకపోయినా పర్లేదు, బట్ నాట్ మోర్ దెన్ వన్ అన్నాడు, వన్ కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండడానికి ఛాన్స్ లేదంటే రవి పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఇదర్ ట్యూస్డే ఆర్ మండే. మై అజంప్షన్ ఈజ్ ట్యూస్డే. ఈ ట్యూస్డే అజంప్షన్ కానీ రాంగ్ అయినట్లయితే నేను మండే తీసుకుంటాను రవి ప్లేస్. ఓకే, కంటిన్యూషన్. Sumit captained the team on one of the days after Ravi. Okay, so before Ravi, Sumit is not possible. After Ravi, so please remember it. Either Prudvi or Lalit was made the captain on Thursday. So Thursday place is either Prudvi or Lalit. Okay, continuation. Arjun was made the captain 3 days after Ravi. 3 days after Ravi means, so after Ravi, first day is Wednesday, second day is Thursday, Friday is the third day. So that place belongs to the Arjun. Okay, next continuation. Observe the Lalit and Vinay. If suppose Lalit is on Thursday, definitely Vinay place become Friday. But Friday already over. So automatically Thursday Lalit ki chance లేదనేది అర్థం కావాలి. కాబట్టి this place belongs to the Prudvi. Okay, now Lalit possibility is only Saturday. After Lalit, Vinay. Before Ravi, Sumit is not possible. Definitely after Ravi, Sumit. Now the remaining person is on Monday. Remaining person is Kunal. Okay, అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. First question on this puzzle. Kunal was made the captain of the team on which of the day of the week? So first day, that is Monday. So third option is right answer. Next question. How many players were made to captain the team before Lalit? Before Lalit, how many persons? Before Lalit, 5 members. Option number 4. Who was made the captain of the team immediately before Prudvi? Immediately before Prudvi, that person is Sumit. Who was the captain of the team on Saturday? Saturday captain is Lalit. So option number 4. Arjun played the role of the captain on which of the day of the week? Arjun on which day? Friday. ఓకే, సో ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ఈ ఎస్బీఐ క్లర్క్ రీజనింగ్ పేపర్ అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో ఇలా మ్యాక్సిమం క్వశ్చన్స్ మనం డైలీ 1 పేపర్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నట్లయితే ఎగ్జామ్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూలో 35 out of 35 ఈజీగా స్కోర్ చేయడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటుంది. 20 minutes లో ఈజీగా స్కోర్ చేయడానికి ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే ఫ్రెండ్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ, ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.